Greetings, greetings, greetings. Jesus deliver you from anything. Make sure say you walk in your deliverance and stay in your deliverance. Serious thing. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, go and go do it now. Now just click the subscribe button right now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 12 from verse 43 to verse 45. When one wicked spirit come out of somebody, it go through desert and look place for rest, but no find no way. Then it say, me a turn back, go to the house where me left. When it catch back there, it finds say the house empty. The house sweep clean and everything neat and tidy. Then the wicked spirit go bring back 7 more spirits were worse than it. And the whole of them go in there, go live. So now, that's somebody there worse off than before. As same so, it a go for the wicked set of people them from that time here. And God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.